Hey awesome people out there, welcome or welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. So today I'm going to share this makeup look with you all. I hope you guys liking it. I hope. Okay, so this makeup is very simple. If you're a beginner, then you can definitely do this. And the best part is I haven't used any kind of makeup, brush, sponge, tool, anything in this makeup. So you haven't any, then this video is for you. So if you're interested in know how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. And also I have shared this hairstyle as well, so yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so starting off, first I'm going to use this biotic moisturizer. Okay, so I have applied this moisturizer, so I'm going to wait for 5 minutes before jumping to my base makeup. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I have applied the moisturizer on my face. Now the moisturizer completely absorbed onto my skin. Now I'm going to apply a primer. If you don't have any primer, you can absolutely skip this step. For primer, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer. So today I'm not going to use any kind of foundation. If you want, then you can definitely use. I'm going to use this BB cream because I want to keep this makeup very subtle and simple. When you apply makeup, do not rub it on your face. Always try to pat it on your face. Otherwise, your makeup can look so cakey. Also, never forget your hairline, neck and ear as well, because it's very important. Otherwise, it can look so uneven. I have applied the BB cream. Now if you have the dark circle, then you can use the concealer. If you don't have any such dark circle or dark spot on your face, then you can completely skip this part. So I don't have much dark circle, but I'm going to use this concealer on my eyelid area only, and just a little bit on the inner corner. Just a little bit. Use your ring finger. Don't give much pressure on your eye area because it's really very delicate. So always use your ring finger. Just simply pat the product on your skin. It can give you the maximum coverage. You can see, right? Now I'm going to use this contour. It's a stick contour. Just a little bit to add some dimension on my face. Little bit, just a little bit. That's it. Now for blush, I'm going to use lipstick. So lipstick can be used as a blush and it works really fine, better than any blush. So I'm going to use this lipstick over here. It's very corally peachy kind of shade. We'll take a very little amount and just apply on your apple of the cheeks. Just pat the product. Do not rub or something like that. I'm going to use this Insight Glow Illuminator. It's a liquid highlighter. Take very little amount and apply on the high points of your face. So the glow this highlighter gives now, it's really very pretty. It's natural yet pretty. So this is the close-up look. You can see, right? Now I'm going to use a little bit powder just to set my T-zone area because I sweat like a pig. Just on my T-zone and also under eye. So this tool I'm using, it comes with this compact powder, so I'm not using any external tool. For brow, I'm using this Miss Clear brow pencil. It's my favorite brow pencil. So first I'm just brushing it off, and I'm not going to overdo anything. Just to fill in the gaps, I'm using this because eyebrow can really change your look. Just fill in the gaps, nothing much. I'm starting with the outer half and then I will go for the inner section. Okay, so for eyeshadow I'm going to use this palette. This is by Wet n Wild and the palette name is Rose in the Air. So first I'm going to use this transition shade over here, and I'm taking with my ring finger, very less amount I'm going to use this shade on my crease only. Take very less amount, and then if required then you can build it more. Now I'm going to use this shade just on my outer V section. And blend the shade with the previous one. You can see, blend properly, nothing much, just blend everything properly to make it seamless. Lastly, I'm going to use this shimmer shade over here, just middle portion. Okay, and blending everything with the same ring finger. Okay, on the lower lash line, I'm going to apply this shade and this shade. These two shades I'm going to apply on the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to apply the same shimmer shade on the inner corner with this pinky finger. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply very thin line on my eyelid with this eyeliner. This is by Elite. Okay, so eyeliner done. Now some mascara time. Our look is almost done. Now it's time for apply some lipstick. So you can go for any lipstick, any shade, any nude shade will be perfectly alright. But today I'm going to use this red shade because for me, Indian look isn't complete without red lipstick. And as this look is very simple, red lipstick is a must-have. Okay, so this is the complete look. Okay, wait. I think Indian look is incomplete without one more thing, and that is bindi. So yes, so now the look is completed. So you can leave your hair as it is, but I'm going to share a hairstyle with you all as well, as I promised. So for the hairstyle, middle part your hair, you don't need to be very precise with that because mace is in the trend. So simply middle part your hair and just twist your hair like so, and just secure this hair with with a bobby pin. Same thing I'm doing with this side as well. It's very simple. Again, I'm going out of the frame. Securing with a bobby pin. So you can leave your hair as it is, or else you can tie your hair with this. So it's very simple, right? It's very simple yet looks so pretty and cute. So you can definitely try this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed this one, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, link you will find in the description. See you soon. Bye.